Most people would never care about saving 3 keystrokes, and honestly, I probably wouldn't either if I didn't have to do it freaking 150 times a day or more, usually 50 times an hour, depending on your workflow. If you're working 7 or 8 hours a day, that adds up. And I'm going to give you some math here that I think will blow you away. And we're not even talking about keystrokes anymore. We're talking about the hidden time leak. By the end of this video, I'll show you where to break down the exact method I use to eliminate it. Here's the part that most people miss. Your workday is probably not being destroyed by one giant obvious waste of time. It's being quietly bled out by repeated actions. Click here, a copy paste there, a scroll there, keystrokes here, a form you fill out over and over again. I've talked about this in the other videos on this channel. One of them, probably over here somewhere, has like 250,000 views on it about how much time we waste in the digital age. And here's the trap. I'm going to give you a specific example. So recently I found a workflow for one of my clients, and it came down to this: 4 keystrokes versus 1 keystroke. It sounds freaking ridiculously silly and simple, but the math I think will get your attention. So who cares? Here's what the math changes. If you repeat that action 50 times an hour over a 7-hour workday, that becomes 350 repetitions per day. Now, the small thing is not small anymore, the math. So using a rough estimate about how long it takes for 1 keystroke versus 4 keystrokes, 1 keystroke is probably about a third of a second, milliseconds. So cutting four keystrokes down to one, it saves 3 keystrokes, big deal, whoop-de-doo. That is about 0.9 seconds saved every time. Don't click off yet, because I'm going to share with you at the end why this matters. This sounds tiny, I get it. But if you multiply that by 350 repetitions per day, it comes down to like 315 seconds a day, still saying whoop-de-doo, so 5.5 minutes per day. Not impressive yet? Hang with me here. I'm going to share more about how this works. So across a 5-day work week, if you're a grinder, an entrepreneur like myself, you're probably working more than 5 days. That becomes a minimum of 26 minutes per week. Across a year, that becomes roughly 23 hours of increased output. If you calculate your average ROI about how much you get paid per hour, I'm sure you would like to have that as a bonus. So 23 extra hours from one microscopic workflow change. I cover more than just this simple technique in the course that I'm about to share with you. But here's the important part. It's not really about typing, it's about awareness, because once you see these hidden time sucks, these time leaks, you start seeing them everywhere. It's a mindset shift, and that's part of the beauty of what you will learn inside the TimeLevr course. It happens inside your documentation, your email, your consulting work. If you're a clinician, it's your patient messaging. It's inside every repetitive platform and task that you use. It's not that you're lazy, it's that you're trapped inside workflows that you stopped questioning years ago. So here is the frustrating part that most of these workflows is that you do not need discipline. You do not need another productivity book. You do not need a mindset shift. It's because if you can reduce a repetitive action from 4 keystrokes down to one, then you've not only saved time, you've reduced friction, you've reduced cognitive load, you've enhanced consistency of your communication. Your clients will love you for it. Your patients will love you for it. You will communicate clearly, and you'll have 23 extra hours a year to do something fun with. You don't necessarily have to pump it back into work. And so if you're interested in this, I'm going to be revealing this inside the course. The link is below the video. I have a brand new piece of the puzzle coming tomorrow in a new video that is going to show how to put this whole process essentially on steroids. So if you found this helpful, smash that like button. Cheers.